imagePROGRAF TC-21. Compact body. Recyclable plastic ink bottles. Supports both roll paper and cut sheet. From sharply reproduced CAD drawings to vivid posters and flyers. Meeting variety of printing needs. Operations such as paper set and ink refilling can be performed from the front. Operation panel can be tilted. Even from a lower position or on a higher shelf, the screen can be easily viewed and operated. Expanding the choice of location. Adopting the image processing method of higher-end models, which enables creating vivid posters even on plain paper. Printing with minimized margins on roll paper. It helps to create standout designs. Poster creation software, PostcardsIst, is with a wide selection of templates. Change the text and colors to easily create stylish posters and flyers. The built-in auto sheet feeder can hold a 4 and a 3 size sheets, label sheets, envelopes, postcards, and other various sizes of Cutsheet paper. A variety of prints can be created using Cutsheet and roll paper. This flexibility allows users to print the same design in various sizes for different applications. No EPS is used in printer packing materials. Recycled plastic is used in about 40% of the plastics of the printer, along with about 5% recycled metal usage. Registered with 𝗨𝗴𝗿𝗍 Gold in the US, TC-21 is an environmentally conscious model. From architecture and engineering, construction, restaurants and retail, to clinics and pharmacies. A multi-use large-format desktop printer that meets the needs for a variety of applications. Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21.